Dumela. Welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about place or places. Lefelo kana mafelo. The first place we have is a country. A country like Botswana, for example.
Lefat.
Jaga. And then we have a city. A city like Gaborone.
Toropo. Kgolo.
Jaga
Gaborone.
And then we have a bigger city or a second city. In this example,
Toropo kgolo ya bobedi.
Francistown.
Toropo kgolo ya bobedi.
Jaga
Francistown.
And then we have a town. Like your normal small town. For example, Maung. For those of you who love traveling, Maung is the name of the town you should remember. And then we have village-like towns.
Motse, Setoropo.
These are like more villages, but also have
Setoropo.
like town features. Like all the things you can find in a town, but it's also like a village. For example, Tonota.
Jaga Tonota.
And then we have a village, like a for real village. Nothing there, nothing much. Probably no tar roads.
Kana motse selegae.
Yeah. In this example, I'm going to go with Shashamoke. And then we have farmlands. This is where it's just for planting and growing plants, pretty much. And then we have the cattle post. The cattle post is where you put your domestic animals, especially cattle and goats and other domestic animals.
Moraka. Kgotsa Morakeng. Ke rata go tsaya nako e ke leboge tlhotlheletso ya lona. Le ka mo so fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Go siame.